Hi everyone, my name is Dante and this tutorial teaches Microsoft Word basics. Although knowledge of how to navigate in a Word environment is helpful, this tutorial was created for the computer beginner. Before you get started with Word, there are a few concepts with which you need to be familiar. This lesson explains those concepts. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Word. To continue working on a file you previously saved, you must open the file. To open the file you used in tutorial 3, go to File Open menu. Make sure the folder you saved during the previous lesson displays in the login field. Type tutorial3.doc in the file name field. Click Open. This is the file that we are looking for that you created during the previous lesson. You can also look for your file right here. Click File Open. Look for the file name tutorial3.doc. Double click tutorial3.doc. This is the file you created during the previous lesson. Cut and paste. There are three types of features that we are going to use for cut and paste. These are menu, icons, and keys. Cut using the menu. Type the following. She is content with very little. Content is happiness. Highlight content is happiness. Go to home, select cut from the menu. Your text should now read, she is content with very little. Paste using the menu. Go to home, select paste from the menu. Your text should now read, she is content with very little. Content is happiness. Cut using the icon. Type the following. She is content with very little. Content is happiness. Highlight, content is happiness. Go to home, select cut. Your text should now read, she is content with very little. Paste using the icon. Go to home, select icon, paste from the menu. Your text should now read, she is content with very little. Content is happiness. Cut using keys. Type the following. She is content with very little. Content is happiness. Highlight, content is happiness. Press X for cut. Your text should now read, she is content with very little. Paste using the keys. Place the cursor after the period in the sentence. She is content with very little. Press the space bar to leave a space. Control B for space. Your text should now read, she is content with very little. Content is happiness. Now you learned the cut and paste. Now we go to copy and paste. In Microsoft Word, you can copy text from one area of the document and place that text elsewhere in the document. As with cut data, copied data is stored on the clipboard. Copy using the menu. Type the following. She is content with very little. Content is happiness. Highlight, she is content with very little. Go to home, copy from the menu. And then we go to paste using the menu. Place the cursor after the period in the sentence. Content is happiness. Press the space bar to leave a space. Go to home, paste from the menu. Your text should now read, she is content with very little. Content is happiness. She is content with very little. Find and replace. If you need to find a particular word or piece of text, you can use the find command. If you want to search the entire document, simply execute the find command. If you want to limit your search to a selected area, highlight that area and then execute the find command. After you have found the word or piece of text you are searching for, you can replace it if that is what you want it to, with new text by executing the replace command. Find up using the keys. Type the following. What time are we going to leave tomorrow? If one of us has to leave, I'll go. I was just getting ready to leave the house. Press Ctrl F for find. Type the word that you are looking for. For example, going. Have you noticed here the going is highlighted? This is what we are looking for. Another example, getting. The getting is highlighted here. This is what we are looking for. You can simply replace this, or you just find for research or information to know the answer. Find of using the keys. Type the following. What time are we going to leave tomorrow? If one of us has to leave, I'll go. I was just getting ready to leave the house. Press Ctrl H. Type the word time. Click Find Next. Have you noticed time is highlighted? The next word will be getting. Click Find Next. The word getting is highlighted. You now learned the various ways to Microsoft Word 2010 Basics. That's all I have for you today, folks. I hope you are staying safe and healthy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.